All right, so we are very briefly going to take a look at how to identify whether a course is a Session 1 course or a Session 2 course. This is going to be particularly important when you're scheduling half-semester nursing courses like Psych and Community or Peds and OB, because if you don't enroll in the right course when your window opens, then you're going to end up getting kicked out of that course and you'll have less of a choice later on in the semester of which clinical time to choose. So you want to make sure that when you get your pathway, you pay close attention to which session you have each course in. And when you're going to search for the courses, that you pay attention to which session you're actually enrolling for, and you want to make sure that those two match up. So if you navigate to buckeyelink.osu.edu and just go ahead and go to the schedule of classes, you'll want to select the term for this. We'll be doing spring of 2016. Make sure you select Columbus as the campus and nursing. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead and use 4260, but this will work the same way for any Session 2 courses or Session 1 courses. Now there are a couple ways you can do this. So the first way is to just go ahead and search Nursing 4260. You'll see here there's a lecture open for Session 1 and a lecture open for Session 2. Again, you want to pay special attention when you're registering to make sure that if your pathway says Session 2, then you are actually enrolling in Session 2. That information is available right here. And if your pathway says Session 1, then you're actually enrolling in the Session 1 course. Now another way that you can do this to be absolutely certain that you're not accidentally selecting the wrong course is you can click on Additional Search Criteria, and there's an option for session, and you can actually specify if your pathway says you're in 4260 for Session 1, then just go ahead and select Session 1 and search, and it's only going to bring up Session 1 options. And you can do the same thing for Session 2 so that there's no confusion, you won't accidentally select the wrong session, and that's really the best way to do it. And then you would just proceed with enrollment as usual.